Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CDMO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move, not only from a price action perspective, but over the past couple of days, even from a volume point of view. Biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level of support. And if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $3.25. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $3.25, I am not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be down here at 305. So 325, 305, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the price is in full health. The bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, if the price could stay above 325, that would be great. But taking a step back, grand scheme of things perspective, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because, in my opinion, top priority by far right now is not breaking levels of resistance. It's all about going through some healthy consolidations and building higher lows, because as long as higher lows, higher bases are being built over time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations and higher lows, then you can just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.